Hey guys, do you have a KingSong 16S or any KingSong 14D KingSong 16D that have a problem with the trolley handlebar? When you press, it's a bit hard to come out in one side of the area, and when you go up, right, when you come down, sometimes one side is stuck, one side is not, and it's very hard to push it down, right? So I want to teach you on how to fix that very easily. First thing first, pull all the way up. Second, get this single oil, all-purpose sewing machine oil. It's a lubricant. Okay, first thing first is to lubricate this area. Second is to lubricate this area and this area. Just one single drop will do. Same thing here and here. So you try to like push it one side and then make sure there's a hole there. And another area is press it down a little bit, and you reveal a little hole over here. I'm not sure if you can see, there's a hole here. Drip one drop also, and the other side as well. Over the two dot and the hole here, where when you go all the way up, it actually blocks. Okay, so you just drop in a couple of drops and then just go up and down for a few times, and it shall be fixed. After that, all you need to do is to get a tissue to wipe on the outside. Do not clean it in using any kind of detergent or things like that. You'll remove the oil. Just simply wipe it clean, and that's it. And of course, try to clean this area with a tissue or some sort, and try to remove any debris stuck over this area. And basically that's it. Thank you very much for watching Simon's video. Have a nice day. See ya. Bye bye.